A 6 to 7-year-old comes to the physician. Examination shows a barrel-shaped chest. There is expiratory wheeze, no peripheral edema. X-ray is showing hyperinflation of the lung fields, and the heart shadow is being narrowed down. Classical case of emphysema. The COPD is what you have to expect. 22-year-old woman, there's a tenderness and soft tissue swelling, and the range of the motion of the knee is limited to only 10 degrees of flexion. Arthrocentesis of the knee shows the presence of a high leukocyte count. So a young female in a reproductive age group who is sexually active, presenting with monoarthritis of a knee joint, unless proven otherwise, what is your diagnosis? It is a case of the gram-negative diplococci. Gonococcal arthritis is something that you need to always suspect. When monoarthritis is there in a young individual with a knee joint effusion who is sexually active age group, unless proven otherwise, you should think of the diplococci, the gonococcal arthritis. 32-year-old consuming high quantity of yogurt bars, peanut butter, protein and calories enriched milkshakes, and the abdomen is distended, tympanic to percussion, bubble sounds are increased, then what is the most likely possibility? Some of the people have lactase deficiency. They need to be doubly careful while consuming the peanut butter, yogurt bars, etc. After that, their intestines are fully blown out. 22-year-old, temperature of 38. There's a rash on the palms and soles with a cervical lymphadenopathy. Young person once more. And also, she had a painless ulcer on the vulva. And there's a low-grade fever, sore throat, fatigue. So this is a classical case of the syphilis. And this is an example of that copper-colored syphilitic rash is what you need to remember. And she should be treated with penicillin is considered to be the treatment of choice from the days of the Alexander Fleming. After he discovered the penicillin, till now the treponema pallidum is responding to the treatment with penicillin. 4-year-old boy, he squeals and cries but uses no words. He is preoccupied with objects and does not play with other children. So they are all the features of an autistic disorder. Every time you go for AIMS, PGI or All India, that is the NEET PG exam, invariably there is a question coming on autistic disorder, which you should be very sure to answer. A 16-month-old infant babbled at 6 months, and he began to mimic sounds at 10 months, and at 16 months the child is continuing to use the single words but is not using two-word phrases. So what is the most likely possibility? There's a normal language development. Some children little lag over in the speech development, and within few days they will be able to take an improvement. But if you are a pediatrician topper in PGI entrance exam, you expect your child to speak like a nightingale from the first month or second month only. We will be waiting eagerly. So there are few challenges to live as a parent. When you are a topper in NEET PG exam and become a top pediatrician, you yourself worry for every small inch that happens in your child's life. You need not. A 2-month-old infant had a lesion, as what you can see here. So what is the most important next step in the clinical management? It's a case of strawberry hemangioma. It will be regress over a period of time. So only observation of the lesion is considered to be the treatment of the choice. A previously healthy 15-year-old girl comes to the physician, increasing left ear pain. Examination of the right ear shows no abnormality. Tympanic membrane is only partially visualized. And there is a greenish discharge coming from the auditory canal is an example of otitis externa, is what you have to understand. A newborn is delivered at term, and the entire pregnancy, labor, delivery, everything is uncomplicated. Then on examination you find, what is this? Ambiguous genitalia. So when a child is born with ambiguous genitalia, what are you going to tell the parents? You should tell the baby is healthy, but we will not know the gender until we run some other additional tests, karyotyping, etc. So that is what you approach ambiguous genitalia. 3-year-old girl is being